Hello Leos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the last 15 days of August. And as you know, they are all general readings. Uh, they may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if the reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. Okay. So we have the World card, the Three of Swords, the Judgment, the King of Swords, the Knight of Swords, the Queen of Cups, the King of Pentacles, the Magician, and the Ace of Pentacles. Okay. So let's see what are the messages from this deck for Leos. Okay, wow. We have the Ace of Swords or the Ace of Spades in this deck. Guidance from the angels for Leos. Okay. Okay, so Leos, you've started something new in your life, a new chapter. There has been a closure of something and a beginning of something new in your life, and you are trying to balance your life. Okay, you are trying to take the control of your life in this new beginning, whatever this new beginning is for you, and it is a decision which you have taken. There is a major decision which you have taken in your life, and this decision was, I think this was the decision which you have taken. There has been a new beginning, but what I'm getting here is that this new beginning has a memory or a nostalgia of something which has hurt you very, very deeply in the past, and you have decided on something, and that's something which I feel is a new beginning, or ending something which was hurting you, or closure of something which was hurting you, which was very, very painful for you, and you decide to uh, have a new beginning in your life. Okay, so this is something which you really, really want actually, because you are, I feel either there has been some sort of betrayal, a love triangle, a third party, but there has been a situation which was really very agonizing, and you have taken a voluntary decision to end it. It was high time that you took this decision. It's like that. It was high time that you've been dealing with that situation and you just couldn't take it anymore, and you decide to end it and move ahead in your life. And here with the King of Swords, the Knight of Swords, what I feel here is that you are having that detached and a cold behavior towards others, and the thing is that though you are showing this behavior as cold and detached in a certain situation, but there is something which you are emotional about, and you just rush towards that situation, whatever the situation is. There are emotions. You are emotional about something and you just rush in towards that situation. Though your behavior on the outside may be very cold and detached, but deep within, a lot of emotions are stirring within. And you just rush in. You decide to rush in. That's what you are doing. Maybe because of the fact that you've been so much hurt that you just want to get that happiness wherever you find, sort of. Wherever you are finding this happiness, you want to rush in towards. You don't want to lose it, basically. You don't want to lose this happiness. At least you think that this is your happiness or you're emotional about. Yeah, and I think with the King of Pentacles, you are definitely able to, and the Magician and the Ace of Pentacles. So since you are rushing in towards your this newfound happiness, or this newfound emotional, which whatever you're emotional about, you just rush in towards this situation, and you are able to flourish yourself in this. It is sort of, it is the right decision. It is the right decision for you to move in this direction, because I see you being stable in this situation. Okay, and you are manifesting a new beginning for yourself, which, and you are getting something which is stable and committed. Okay, so yeah, definitely. So you are deciding to leave this past hurt, whatever this past hurt is, and you want a new beginning. And once you are ready for a new beginning, you're sick and tired. Perhaps this was a third party or a love triangle, whatever this agonizing situation was. So you have withdrawn yourself, you are detached, you have that cold exterior. But the thing is, you are just not letting go of anything which is now you are emotional about. And you just rush in towards this situation or this person which you are emotional about, and you are able to manifest a new beginning for yourself, which is going to be stable also for you, stable and committed also. So you are weaving a new beginning for yourself, basically. You just don't want to let it go at any cost this time. And here with the Ace of Spades, again there is a new beginning. So we have the Ace of Spades and we have the Ace of Pentacles. So this is definitely a new beginning, and with the Magician you are just making it happen. So you have decided to choose happiness, basically, and you are not ready to leave it at any cost. You won't let it go. You won't let go. Just see, the card here is letting go. Here it is, you are not letting go of the happiness, and this letting go is about releasing the past. Letting go, releasing the past can seem like a challenge, but it can also be liberating. Your angels will help you to let go so that you can fly higher than ever before. Endings always herald new beginnings. That's what I'm saying. You are just not doing this, and you will not let your happiness go away from you. Choose to allow this situation to lead you to a more joyful life. Change your life by changing your thoughts. So yeah, you have to let go of the past, and you're not letting go of the newfound happiness. So you're definitely manifesting something new in your life. It's a new chapter, it's a new beginning. You're manifesting it, and you are just rushing towards it. You won't let it go. You will get this happiness. You will not let this happiness slip off your fingers. Leos, you will make it happen. Okay, so that's all I have for you. Hope it helps. And yeah, do like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.